Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SolidWorks tutorial how to insert image. To insert image, you can go to sketch and we create new sketch, choose top plane, go to tools menu, click on sketch tools and then click sketch pictures. Oh, settings for your pictures or image. As example, I will insert this image, click open and the image will be attached into your drawing area. I will edit, decrease the image size like this. And if you're done, you can click OK. Okay, that's it for basic SolidWorks tutorial, how to insert image. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.